It's me, Gabriella, your undercover agent from the female world, giving you the best honest female perspective in dating. And welcome to yet another awesome video. Are women pathological liars? Are we all bound to deceive the men out there? One of the many lessons I've learned the hard way is that the only way to properly tell if you can trust someone is to actually trust that person. But even so, it would not be right to judge all women the same. Just like the way we come in different shapes and sizes is the same way that we have different characters. And I also won't shy away from the fact that there are women out there that you cannot trust completely. And if you're listening to this video, it means that you have been hurt time and time again to a point where you're wondering if you can really trust women. And if so, how? Number one, let go of the victim mentality. We have all experienced hurt in our relationships at one point or another in time. I'm trying to pass across that if you want to date again, let go of that victim mentality. Let me speak for all the women out there when I say we only do not like a man playing the victim. It just portrays self-doubt and insecurity. Have the self-worth and act and convince us that you are a real man. When you do that, you will attract the kind of quality, trustworthy women into your life. Number two, pay attention to the red flags. Do not be all goo-goo-eyed by that woman you like so much to the point that you ignore all the red flags or some of the questionable behaviours that she shows. Remember that you deserve nothing but the best when it comes to your mental and physical state. Put your value first before anyone else's. Therefore, no matter how beautiful or how good she seems, actions do not lie. If you see some recurring destructive behaviours that cause you to not see eye to eye, it is better to call it out. If there is no change, then just walk away. Otherwise, you will keep on having the so-called failed relationships, which in return is what will make you not trust women. Number three, take charge of your life. We always tell most of our male clients that they drive their life. It's up to them to decide in which direction to lead their life and romantic relationships. Stop such excuses as always thinking and assuming that we're just after your money. That is just an excuse for what you're hiding behind. I can confidently tell you all my girls have an impressive foundation, and I've coached men based on the experiences that I learned from these girls. Many women out there want a confident man with ambitions more than a man who makes millions of dollars to feel unhappy. Number four, let go, forgive and move on. Don't hold on to the past. It does not mean a face-to-face kind of forgiveness, but instead just letting go internally. Let go of all the anger, mistrust and hurt that you went through and everything that is currently making you not trust women. You'll continue attracting this negative energy if you do not let it go. You deserve a woman who will be there for you, one who is confident enough to show you what kind of partners she wants and to motivate you always. The type of woman who will cherish you and love you for you, right? Number five, focus on the bigger picture. Ask yourself this: which one sounds better, being alone for the rest of your life or finally finding your soulmate? No one said that we will all find love in the first attempt. Love is painful and sweet, and you cannot find love if you give up on this quickly and stop trusting women. But if you're good at being alone for the rest of your life, then that is okay too. I tell my clients who have trust issues with women to look at some of the most trustworthy women in their lives. That way you can take your time and look at things differently. As I pointed out earlier, we have all suffered from mistrust or mislead. We all experience the same things in life, only that it comes at different times. Also, if the hurt was too deep, I would recommend that you take some time to heal first. Do not rush with a heavy heart just yet. Listening to this video, for instance, is a positive step that you're taking towards your growth and getting to that point where you're ready to find love again. Well, there you have it, guys. I hope you can see that not all women are women you cannot trust. Remember to hit me up in the comment section and let me know what you think. Or advice if you just want to move on. It's always amazing to have you guys join me. I appreciate all of you and thank you so much for watching. Please check out our ebooks and online programs at calmerlifestyles.com and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe. I'm Gabriella Ryan and I will see you next time. Bye!